Hello Instagram, YouTube, Black Mamba back at it again with another YouTube video. I apologize for not being as consistent as I can be with these videos. It's just I'm working on a lot of stuff, a lot of things right now, and it's just cutting into my channel. But I'm going to really try my hardest to be consistent with these videos that I'm making. I'm gonna start calling y'all my crazy 88s because it goes with my name. My friend Kimani actually helped me come up with that name. We actually made a video together. It's a mukbang and we're talking about everything and anything very inappropriate, so y'all should go check that out. I'm gonna put that in the description below actually, so y'all can just get there quickly. Today we're gonna be putting hair paint wax in my hair. Yes, yes, yes. I'm excited about this, but I'm nervous at the same time because I was afraid this might get stuck in my hair. But I did my research and I've seen a lot of lockheads use this and it doesn't get stuck in their hair. They can wash it out easily and it comes out thoroughly. So I'm excited about this. But you know, I'm afraid it might dry out my hair or give it or act like a perm and just make it thin. I'm really dramatic. But yeah, hopefully, you know, it works out okay. I retwisted the front of my hair because I don't want to put the wax in and then retwist my hair because it'll really get stuck and we don't want that. On a side note, check out my nail job. No, okay, we're not doing this, okay? I can't even click clack my shit, okay? What the fuck? What is that? I want some of that, okay? I'm really upset. I got a fucking broken ass nail on here, but it was from those nails actually broke and it like cut into my nail, so I got a bad hangnail there. And I'm still finna get them done. I'm terrible. So we about to get into this hair paint wax. I got some gloves here because I heard that it does stain your hands. So yeah, when you do apply this wax, just make sure you wear some gloves. I'm gonna put like some leave-in conditioner in my hair just to make my hair soft and a little bit of water because I don't want it to dry out my hair. Okay, let's get into this.
Stupid.
don't know, y'all let me know how this looks because I'm very unsure right now. I'm very unsure. Y'all let me know. I use quite a lot. I haven't really seen any YouTubers use that much, but I don't know. It's looking a little hot pinkish right now, and I thought it would be a little bit more deeper in color, but I think it just needs to settle in, and then maybe it'll get a little bit darker. But yeah, I just kept running the wax through my hair so it can kind of get to that darker color. Now I'm just laying my edges, and before I was using this Gorilla Snot. Now I'm using this Gorilla Snot. One of my friends put me onto this, and this holds a lot better. This is at a 10 and this one is at a 9, and this one shows a big difference. So this is my go-to right now as far as laying my edges. All right, I'm gonna wet my toothy brush so get some movement in there, and we get the laying. Look at that. Oh my God, that looked like somebody just whacked me in my neck. I'm gonna be right back. So I did hear that this wax does transfer to clothing. So if you are wearing something, just, you know, if your locks are long, I don't recommend wearing something that you really care about. See, it came right off. See, so if it can come off like that, it can come off like that in your hair. So I cleaned up a little bit. It really got over my neck, and it's still on the back of my neck, but I'm not gonna try to attempt to keep getting that because it's gonna keep getting on my neck. But yeah, this is the final result, y'all. And I still DK how to feel about it. So I'm gonna give it a day, and if it's still like then I'm gonna like get rid of it. But yeah. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, y'all. I promise you I'm gonna try to be as consistent as I can to my crazy 88s. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. The Mamba is out. Bye.